The IMD has forecast widespread rain in Delhi NCR with heavy showers in Faridabad and Gurugram, as the Yamuna nears danger levels and flood risks rise. Residents of the national capital have been put on high alert after over 1.8 million cusecs of water were released from the Hathnikund barrage in Haryana on Monday, raising fears of flood-like conditions in low-lying areas of Delhi by Tuesday evening. According to official data, between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m., more than 1.2 million cusecs of water were released. The discharge included 745 cusecs at 7 a.m., 332 cusecs at 8 a.m., 313 cusecs at 9 a.m., and 653 cusecs at 10 a.m. The release continued into the afternoon, with 319,000 cusecs at 11 a.m. and 180 cusecs at noon. Authorities have warned that several low-lying areas are at risk of inundation, including Garhi Mandu, Asmanpur, Yamuna Bazar, Mayur Vihar Pushta, and Okla. Water may also reach the interstate bus terminal ISBT if the barrage continues releasing water at the same pace. Officials said the situation is being closely monitored, and evacuation plans are in place should the Yamuna River cross danger levels. Adding to the flood threat, several parts of Delhi received heavy showers on Monday afternoon. The India Meteorological Department IMD has issued a yellow alert for the national capital, warning of thunderstorms accompanied by lightning and moderate to heavy rainfall. The IMD has also forecast an active monsoon spell over Delhi and adjoining areas for the next 5 days, with frequent spells of light to moderate rain expected to continue. Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 23.7 C, about 2.8 degrees below the season's average. The maximum is expected to settle around 30 C. Humidity levels stood at 90% at 8:30 a.m., the IMD reported. This year, Delhi received 399.8 millimeters of rainfall in August, the highest for the month in 15 years. The last time the capital recorded higher rainfall in August was in 2010, with 455.8 millimeters. By comparison, August 2023 saw just 91.8 millimeters of rainfall, while August 2022 logged 41.6 millimeters and 2021 recorded 237 millimeters. With more than 750 millimeters of rainfall since June, Delhi has already surpassed its seasonal monsoon average.